We are starting exercise 6.6. In figure, PS is bisector of angle QPR of triangle PQR. Here is given triangle PQR and this PS is bisector of angle P. Means angle 1 is equal to angle 3 of triangle PQR. Prove that QS upon SR, and we are to prove that QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PR. See here, given is that PS is bisector of angle QPR in triangle PQR. This is the given triangle PQR. PQR is the given triangle and PS is bisector of angle P. To prove is that QS upon SR. This is QS upon SR is equal to PQ upon PR. This we are to prove. For this we have taken a construction. Draw RT parallel to SP. From R we have drawn a line RT parallel to SP to meet produced QP at T. Then this angle PTR is taken as angle 4 and angle PRT is taken as angle 2. Now RT is parallel to, see in this triangle, RT is parallel to SP. It is in construction. If these lines are parallel and this one is intersecting, means angle 1 is equal to angle 2. These are the alternate interior angle. Or also we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 4 because these are corresponding angles. Now what we have got, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. 1 is equal to 3 we have already. This 1 is equal to 3. 1 is equal to 3 we already have. It was given. Now we have conditions. 1 is equal to 2. 3 is equal to 4. 1 is equal to 3. Then from here, see here, it is clear that 2 is equal to 4. Because 1 is equal to 2. 1 is equal to 3. Means 2 is equal to 3. And 3 is equal to 4. Means 2 is equal to 4. Then we have got 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 4 is equal to 3. Now angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This we have got. See, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. And PR is equal to PT. Because we have got angle 2 is equal to angle 4 in this triangle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Then the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. It means that PR is equal to PT. See here also we have got PR is equal to PT. Now in triangle QRT. Which triangle we have taken? QRT. In this triangle, PS is parallel to RT. PS is parallel to RT. Then by BPT, we can have QS by SR is equal to QP by PT. QS by SR is equal to QP by PT. But we have proved that PR is equal to PT. Then instead of PT, we can put PR. Then from here, we will get QS by SR is equal to QP by PR. Then it is the solution of this question. Then we come to the next question. Question number 2. In given figure, BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC of triangle ABC. Here is triangle ABC. Then BD is perpendicular. This BD is perpendicular to AC of triangle ABC. DM is perpendicular to BC. DM is perpendicular to BC. And DN is perpendicular to AB. And DN, this is DN, is perpendicular to AB. prove that dm square is equal to dn into mc. This dm square is equal to dn into mc, and dn square is equal to dm into an. This we are to prove. Now given is what? Given is triangle ABC is right angled at B. BD is perpendicular to AC. DM is perpendicular to BC. DN is perpendicular to AB. This is given. To prove, we can write from the question. Now we come to the proof. See, AB is perpendicular to BC. This AB is perpendicular to BC. And DM is perpendicular to BC. Means these two lines are parallel. Means DM is parallel to AB. Why? Because this AB is perpendicular to BC and DM is also perpendicular to BC. It means that DM is parallel to AB. Now we have DM is parallel to AB. DN is parallel. Similarly, we can say DN is parallel to CB. DN is parallel to CB. Now DMBN. From here we get DMBN is a rectangle. This is of 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. Then it is a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal and each opposite angle, it means each opposite angle is of 90 degree. Means that BNDM is a rectangle. If it is a rectangle, it means that BM is equal to ND. From here we get BM is equal to ND and DM is equal to BN. Now in triangle DMC, see in triangle DMC. In this triangle, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus 90 is equal to 180. By angle sum 1 plus 3 plus 90, this 1 plus 3 plus 90 is equal to 180 by angle sum property. Then 1 plus 3, it means that 1 plus 3 is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Similarly, angle 2 plus angle 4 in this triangle, angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 90. Also, 1 plus 2, because it was because BD was perpendicular to AC, therefore we have 1 plus 2 is equal to 90. Angle 1 plus 2 is equal to 90. Now from here we have 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. 1 cancelize and we have angle 3 is equal to angle 2. This angle 3 is equal to angle 2. From 2 plus 4 is equal to 90 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 90. From these two equations we have 2 plus 4 is equal to 1 plus 2. 2 cancelize and we get 1 is equal to 4. Now see in triangle DMC and triangle BMD. In triangle DMC and triangle BMD. In these two triangles, these angles are each equal to 90 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 4. This we have proved. Then by angle criteria, triangle DMC is similar to triangle BMD. Now we have proved triangle DMC is similar to triangle BMD. Means DM by BM is equal to MC by MD or CM by DM. DM into DM square. This BM on cross multiply we take on right side, CM into BM. This is the solution that we were to find out. Similarly, triangle B and D is similar to triangle D and D. Which triangle B and D? This triangle B and D is similar to triangle D and A. Just like these two triangles are also similar. Now, if these triangles are similar, it means that DN by BN is equal to AN by DN. See here, DN by BN is equal to AN by DN. Then again, DN into DN square is equal to AN into BN. means dn square is equal to an into dn square is equal to an into bn, because bn is equal to dm. See here, bn is equal to dm, we know that. Then instead of bm we can put dm, we get dn square is equal to an into dm. That we were to prove. Now this is the complete proof for this question. You can see this is the complete proof for this question.